Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both the case and earbuds have at least a partial charge. Low power can block pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and stay on the Bluetooth screen so you can watch for the device name. Open the charging case and press and hold the small button for 2 to 3 seconds until LEDs flash or you hear a voice prompt. This actively puts the earbuds into pairing mode so your phone can discover them. You now complete the handshake. On your phone, scan the nearby devices list and find the Soundcore model name shown on the case or manual. Tap that name to initiate pairing and accept any confirmation prompts. Some phones request permission to access calls or media. Grant them for full functionality. Make sure to watch for a solid LED or a voice prompt that says connected. This tells you the earbuds and phone have exchanged profiles and are ready to stream audio and handle calls. You finish by testing audio and microphone. Play a track and make a short call to verify clarity and volume. If the earbuds don't connect, reset them by holding the case or earbud button about 10 seconds to clear stored pairings. This forces a fresh pairing state. When problems persist, make sure to forget the device on your phone, restart the phone, and try pairing again. These steps resolve most issues by clearing conflicts and reinitializing Bluetooth services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.